Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
A simple conversation at a coffee shop.
Hi there. Is this seat taken, or may I sit here with you for a while?
No, it's not taken at all. Please feel free to sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much. The place is quite busy today, so I appreciate it.
Yes, it seems like everyone had the same idea to come here and relax this afternoon.
By the way, have you already ordered your coffee, or are you still deciding?
I just ordered a cappuccino, which is my usual choice whenever I come here.
That sounds great. I was actually thinking about getting the same thing.
You should try it. Their cappuccino is really smooth and not too strong.
That's exactly what I like. Something balanced and easy to enjoy.
So, do you come to this coffee shop often, or is this your first time?
I come here occasionally, especially when I need a quiet place to think or work.
I understand that completely. It's a nice spot to relax and clear your mind.
What about you? Are you a regular customer here?
Yes, I usually stop by a few times a week after finishing my work nearby.
That sounds like a nice routine, having a place like this to unwind.
It really is, especially when the weather is pleasant like today.
I agree. The atmosphere feels calm and comfortable, which makes it even better.
And the background music is soft enough that it doesn't distract you.
Yes, I noticed that too. It actually helps me focus more.
Are you working on something important right now, or just taking a break?
I'm mostly taking a break, but I might check some emails later.
That sounds like a good plan, balancing work and relaxation.
Exactly. It's important not to feel too stressed all the time.
I completely agree. Sometimes a simple coffee break can make a big difference.
By the way, do you have any recommendations besides the cappuccino?
Their iced latte is also very popular, especially on hotter days.
That sounds refreshing. I might try that next time I visit.
You definitely should. It's one of my favorites as well.
I'm glad I asked. It's always nice to get suggestions from someone familiar with the menu.
Of course, I'm happy to share my experience with you.
Thank you. I really appreciate your kindness.
You're welcome. It's always nice to have a friendly conversation like this.
I agree. It makes the whole coffee shop experience more enjoyable.
Sometimes talking to someone new can brighten your day.
That's very true. It's a simple but meaningful moment.
So, what do you usually like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and occasionally going for a walk.
That sounds relaxing. I also like listening to music when I want to unwind.
Music really has a way of changing your mood, doesn't it?
Yes, it can make you feel calm, happy, or even motivated.
Exactly. It depends on what you need at the moment.
By the way, here comes your coffee. It looks really good.
Thank you. I've been looking forward to this.
Go ahead and take a sip. I hope you like it.
Wow, it's really smooth and flavorful, just like you said.
I'm glad you enjoy it. They really know how to make good coffee here.
I'll definitely come back again because of this experience.
That's great to hear. Maybe we'll run into each other again sometime.
I would like that. It's been a pleasant conversation.
Same here. It's nice meeting someone friendly and easy to talk to.
I feel the same way. It made my day better.
That's wonderful. Sometimes small moments like this are the most memorable.
I completely agree with you on that.
Well, I should probably get going soon. I have a few things to finish today.
No problem at all. It was really nice talking with you.
Likewise, I hope you enjoy the rest of your coffee and your day.
Thank you. I wish you a great day as well.
Take care and see you around sometime.
Take care, and thanks again for the lovely conversation.
You're very welcome. Goodbye for now.